Hello you guys, time for a little quick double Hermès unboxing. Okay, so this one I think I already unboxed before, but I reboxed it because I'm actually getting these right now. So we're gonna rebox it again, and then unbox it again. You know me! Okay, so this is very stuck in here. Come on! Okay. Oops. Alright. And then this I actually ordered online, which I didn't know. Not online. I ordered through my SA, but I paid for it before I even went to the store to get it. So it was like waiting for me. I ordered it, paid through via text. So I didn't know what I could do. And so it's a shot and probably out. These are so hard to get. They never really have them, or at least in my experience, they don't really have them. I see them all the time in Europe though. They're always available in Europe, but they're never available in the US. Like in France online, like in a lot of the stores you can get them, but anyway. So, and they're a lot cheaper obviously in the US, in France, but I got this little tube one to match all my tube bags. Doesn't match this one, but okay. This little munchkin is going, I'm actually gonna give to my best friend, but he doesn't know yet. And I'm sitting at his place right now. So we're gonna box it, just for the channel. And we'll rebox it. Maybe we'll rebox it together. No, we're not going to rebox it together. Okay. Like I said, I think I've unboxed this already, but I'm going to do it again. It's a little Evelyne. Evelyne. What do you guys think? Oh, I definitely did unbox this already. Actually, I might keep this for myself. I changed my mind. Okay. Oh! She's United States. Okay, bye.